Hello, everyone. Welcome back. As previously shared, you will have access to tools to use with each aspect of the S-Cube-D approach. Use these tools. They are designed to support your work as a teacher, documenting various aspects of the small group discourse. Today, I'm going to share some more information about the group dynamics tool that you can see here. The group dynamics tool includes 10 common small group dynamics evident in the mathematics classroom. As you read the descriptions here or on the previous post, you will definitely recognize some of them. The 10 dynamics are organized into 3 different elements: participation, momentum, and definition of success. With the participation element, we witness all or some of the students not engaging with each other or the task. For example, with a non-participatory student, 1 or 2 students are not talking at all with their peers. Under the momentum element, the students in the group are talking about a task, but their progress is hindered in some way. A dynamic in the momentum element that you're probably familiar with is a dominant student. That student who takes over the conversation, often at the expense of the other group members. And then lastly, the definition of success element pertains to norms that need to be challenged. For instance, students may blindly accept the work of others based on their perceived status rather than their mathematical reasoning. In this case, you might hear comments such as, "I think she's right because she's really smart." You can use this tool to document what dynamics are occurring in each of your groups and add any notes you have for each group. So for example, if you number your groups and you're observing group 1, you can check off any dynamics that are occurring in this row within group 1, and then you could add specific notes. You might want to name or identify who the dominant student is in the group or any non-participatory students for your records. You can access this tool with the Linktree link in my bio. So as you're observing groups and using this tool, consider the following guiding questions to help you identify the dynamics occurring. So for the participation element, consider, are the students talking to each other? Who is talking and who is not participating? As the students start talking to each other, you want to ask the following questions for the momentum element. How is the conversation progressing? Are the students communicating effectively? And does each and every student have the opportunity for equitable participation? And then as the students move into having more consistent conversations, think about students' definition of success. When do the students decide they're done? What is their criteria for success? Ultimately, our goal is to challenge these dynamics by supporting the involvement of all students in productive mathematical discussions. So when we move into phase 2 of the S-Cube-D approach, we will learn top moves to address each and every one of these 10 dynamics. But before then, we will need to look into the other lenses of phase 1, the discourse quality and teacher support. The information about both of these phases will be in upcoming posts.